Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Nissan GT-R versus the Trackhawk. We'll dive into what makes each of these high-performance machines stand out. The GT-R is a legendary sports car known for its precision and speed, while the Trackhawk redefines what an SUV can do with its incredible horsepower. Get ready to explore their unique strengths and see how they stack up against each other in a head-to-head comparison. Under the hood, these vehicles take very different approaches to power. The GT-R is equipped with a potent 3.8-liter twin-turbo V6, delivering around 565 horsepower. In contrast, the Trackhawk houses a monstrous 6.2-liter supercharged V8, pushing out an incredible 707 horsepower. Both vehicles channel this power through sophisticated all-wheel drive systems, ensuring maximum grip and exhilarating launches. But their engine characteristics offer distinct driving experiences. When it comes to handling, the GT-R is engineered for the track, offering razor-sharp steering and exceptional cornering abilities. Its lower center of gravity and lighter weight contribute to a more nimble feel. The Trackhawk, while incredibly fast, maintains its SUV roots, providing a more comfortable ride and significantly more interior space for passengers and cargo. This makes it a surprisingly practical daily driver, despite its supercar rivaling performance. Considering their performance, both vehicles offer compelling value, though at different price points. The GT-R often starts above $110,000, reflecting its pure sports car pedigree. The Trackhawk, with its blend of SUV practicality and supercar power, typically begins around $90,000. Ultimately, your choice depends on whether you prioritize track performance or versatile, high-powered utility. Don't forget to check the description for a link to those leak-proof containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.